Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Idiman, and it's time for you to learn how to freeze panes in Excel. Let's get into it. So currently we are in our activity tracker dashboard, but I'm just going to go over to our action tracker and show you how to freeze panes. All right, so the first quick and easy way to freeze the first column and the first row is if we go to View here, select that, and when we go to the Windows section in our ribbon, we go and we can select Freeze Panes. Once we hit this drop down arrow, we can see the option to freeze top row. So let's select that. Once we see that, now we'll see that that first top row actually follows us as we go down. Now this is not that useful for us because we don't have anything on the first row. So I'm just going to go and unfreeze panes for that. Likewise, I can freeze the first column of our row. If we go to freeze panes again in the view section and in our windows section, freeze panes, freeze first column. Now you'll see that this long line where it splits becomes visible, and that column now follows us as we scroll left and right through our worksheet. But again, there's nothing useful on that first column for us to actually use and benefit from. So now I actually want to freeze this row where our table headings are. That's actually a useful row to us. So how do we do that? So to freeze that row, what I'm actually going to do is select the row right below, go to View, go to Freeze Panes. First I want to go and unfreeze that first column. So I'm just going to go to View and unfreeze panes. Let's try that again. So I'll go to row 15, go to View, Freeze Panes, and then I'm going to select Freeze Panes. Now once that's selected, now you'll see as I scroll down, the table heading actually follows me, which is perfect, and I love that. So when I have a bunch more data at the bottom or continuously going down our table, I'll be able to continuously see the table headings. Perfect. And same thing, say for example I wanted to, first I'm just going to unfreeze that. Say I want to see just this column of the activity number. I'm going to go and select column C, go to View and Freeze Panes. Now you'll see that activity column for the activity number column actually follows me as I scroll left and right. Perfect. But what if I actually wanted to see both the table headings as well as this activity number column here? What I can do is before I do that, let me go and unfreeze that paint. Now what I want to do is select the first cell that basically intersects where my column and rows split. So I'm going to select strategic planning cell right here, and I'm going to go and freeze panes. And what that'll do is freeze the row right above and freeze the column immediately to the left. Now if you see, when I scroll down, that table row is still frozen. Perfect. And if I scroll left to right, I can still see the activity number column. Excellent. And there you have it, folks. That is how you freeze panes in Excel. If you would like to grab a copy of our activity tracker, there's a link into the comment section, as well as you can just go to thestartupstall.com to grab your copy. I hope this video helps. Feel free to subscribe to see more amazing Excel content like this. Peace.